Hi everyone, welcome back to Nan Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy pancake. For the pancake, we need all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 cup of milk. Here I use room temperature milk, and we will add 1 egg. And those ingredients you will combine and you will mix very well until the mixture is become very smooth. It's like a velvet. As you can see in the video, the mixture is becoming very smooth, so that's the time is ready to use. So we will take that. I have some oil on the tissue, and there I will just rub it. I will take the half scoop of the mixture. Topping for the pancakes, some people they like to add raisins, banana, blueberries. Up to you guys how you want to modify your pancake. Here I just make only the simple pancake today. As you can see, the bubblings are stopped, so that's the time you can flip it to the other side. The waiting time for the pancake is like 1.5 to 2 minutes. It should not be more than that, otherwise the pancake will be burned. This is the last one, so it's ready. Ready for drizzling honey and butter from the top. That's it. Now it's time for the honey drizzling from the top, and I will add the butter. Wow, it's look very yummy. Thank you for watching and enjoy making pancake at home. And if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.